Welcome to Teel Plastics, where individual attention and professional values come together with leading-edge technology and materials, creating the highest quality custom tubing, cores, and profiles. Since 1951, our customers have enjoyed the friendly, personal way we do business at Teel Plastics. And they've appreciated the technology, expertise, and can-do attitude our entire team brings to every order. We know the right questions to ask at the beginning of each project, and we know how to listen. After the product ships, we stay in touch with each customer, making sure that everything is to their satisfaction. We're proud of our reputation for high-precision work and complex projects. We understand just how important every part we make or each sample we analyze is to our customers. Attention to detail is crucial every step of the way. At Teel Plastics, we look for advancements in technology. We incorporate them into our lines, making for fast yet uniformly reliable production. Our customers also benefit from an experienced and detail-oriented production team, and from our integrated quality system, showing us every aspect of the production process. The quality of many of our products is essential to people's health or safety. To strive for greater control of the process, we created our own testing lab, where we also work to accelerate new product development. And now, Teel Plastics offers polymer analysis services for anyone needing materials testing. There are many different testing capabilities here, and soon we are looking to add even more. At Teel Plastics, we combine the latest developments in production and analytical technologies with personal customer service to provide dependable value to our customers. Visit our website to learn more about what we can do for you. And give us a call. We want to know what you have in mind.